For this video, the seller sent over this really nice ball storage bin. I love organizing things and keeping things nice and tidy, and this is gonna be amazing in my garage just to keep all my kids' toys, balls, basketballs, footballs, everything nice and organized in one spot. So this is really nice too because you can use this indoor or outdoor. So if you do have like a playroom that you need to organize things with or an indoor basketball court, this would be perfect for that. Now it's really nice, it is on wheels, so it makes moving it around nice and easy. And the wheels do have locks on them, which is really nice. So whenever you do have it, wherever you need it, you can go ahead and lock it into place and you know it's gonna stay in one spot and not roll around on you. The material is nice too. It's made out of this nice mesh material. And the fabric does have some give to it, which makes it nice and easy to fit multiple balls in here to make it for easy storage. Now it does have a really sturdy foundation. It only took about 10 minutes to put together. You just have to connect a few pieces together, toss the net and the cover right over, and you're good to go. It does Velcro along the top here to keep it nice and secure. So if you do for some reason need to take it off, you can. And it does have a nice firm base on the bottom for support. So if you're looking for a great way to keep your sports equipment organized, this ball storage bin is a great option. Thanks for watching.